Hi friends, good to see you all again and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today again with one more Moringa recipe and I hope you have enjoyed the previous recipes that I have posted recently because Moringa is such a healthy green which we should include in our diet whenever possible, whenever you get it. So this Moringa rice is a very simple preparation. You just saute the pre-cooked rice with tempering and some spices and add Moringa leaves to it while sauteing. It comes out so tasty, delicious, and I love such quick one-pot meals. You can serve it with papad and yogurt and enjoy it. Moringa rice, a quick and healthy one-pot meal. Make and enjoy. We'll require cooked rice 2 cups, Moringa leaves 1 cup, boiled green peas 1/4 cup, handful of cashew nuts, green chilli paste 1 teaspoon, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch cinnamon and 5 cloves, 1 onion finely chopped, turmeric powder 1/8 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The detailed recipe link is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's proceed with the preparation. Heat oil in a pan. Add the whole spices, the bay leaf, cinnamon and the cloves. Toss them a bit and add the cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts on low flame until they change the color, making sure they don't become dark brown. This is perfect. Now you can add the onions. Saute them. Keep stirring until they become translucent. This is a very quick and easy one-pot meal. Next, add the Moringa leaves. Make sure you wash them very well, changing water several times. Now spread them around in the pan. Add the turmeric powder, little salt. Be careful as the rice already has salt. Cumin powder and the green chilli paste. Give it a nice stir. Next goes in the boiled green peas. Stir everything nicely so that all the flavors get blended together. We'll toss it for a couple of times and allow it to cook on medium flame. Finally, add the cooked rice. Stir everything together until well mixed. This is a nice way of incorporating Moringa leaves in your diet. They are very healthy and we must use them in some form or the other. So the quick and easy Moringa rice is ready. You can dish it out and enjoy it with raita, salad and papads. I love such quick and easy one-pot meals. I'm sure you'll love it too. Friends, do check out other Moringa recipes. I've posted quite a few of them recently. The playlist is shared in the description box. So stay tuned for the next recipe. Take good care of yourself. Have a nice day. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.